I got a 2011 to 2013 Toyota Sienna. So we ran the Bluetooth up here. All you have to do is grab your finger like so and pull it out. It's gonna come out, and then run the wire down there. What I've done, sometimes I ran it up here like this and go up, but this one is got a long enough wire, so I ran it underneath this carpet right there and go straight up there. And now for the radio itself, I already took the mounting bracket and everything out already, so I removed the old one out. I did have a video of it that I can share the link how to remove it. So basically you're gonna flip it upside down like so, and then what you want to do, you want to put it right here like this, and you're gonna put the screw back in. There should be 4 screws, the factory screw, and just mount it back in the right place like this. And then we're gonna run the wire. I'm gonna start putting the screw in there first. Yeah, I'm not gonna be showing you how to put the screw in, because putting the screw in is so easy that anybody can put it in. If you don't know how to put in the screw, I wouldn't recommend you doing this install. So it's gonna look exactly like this. Once it's done, it's look beautiful, right? So now I'm gonna start putting some wire that need to be put in first. So basically this jacks right here, this is for the microphone. We're gonna plug that mic in this black one right here later. So you want to make sure this, see this lip right here, it's got to be on the top. Make sure you don't put it upside down. And then you got the, all right, basically we ran the 2 USB, which is down here. Actually the customers already ran. This car was installed on a different brand before. Oh, it's not here, must be in here. They locked the door, so I gotta get the key to unlock that. That ain't the key. So let me yeah, it was ran down here, as you can see right there. One of them is a 6-pin and one of them is a 4-pin USB. Run it down to the glove compartment or to the bottom right here. And then you got the GPS. You can stick it somewhere down here right there so it won't move. So we're gonna put it right on here. And then you got the antennas right here. And it's basically, now it's pretty simple as plug and play. So as you can see, some of these come with this type, because some of them doesn't come with the same kind of plug for the antenna. So you can literally cut this out and keep them or throw them away, or you can just leave it in there. All right, so mine, I'm gonna plug this main plug harness in. You can do this on a bench. I brought it over here. Now this gonna go to the CAN bus. I gotta grab that CAN bus, and then this 2 white wire will go to one of this 8-pin plug right here, right next to the jacks right here. This will tell you if the doors open and stuff, but this will turn on the JBL amp also. And here is the CAN bus that come with it, and you just plug on here. See, plug it in like so. And then we're gonna do a reverse camera. So I gotta figure out which one is for the reverse video input. I don't know exactly, but I know it's one of them that's wrapped up. We're gonna plug it at first and see what happened. So in order to hook up the backup camera, you will need this using your factory stereo. You want to find out which one is positive, which one's negative. That's negative, and this is positive. The one that's sticking out is positive. So you want to put your voltmeter, the fluke or whatever, to this sign right here. Basically it's continuity. So you want to touch one of these right here, and then one of these right there to see which one is positive. So you're gonna hear the beep sound. I can't do it with one hand. So basically if you touch this, and one of these gonna be positive, so you can hear this sound right here. That's the sound it's gonna make. Okay, so you know this is positive right there. So in my case, it's this brown wire is positive. So we're gonna go here we're gonna go look for the pin that is for that camera. In order for the reverse light to work, you need to hook up to this plug right there. It's this red wire. It's next to the gray, and then next to the other gray right there on the top. Now this is different if it's made in North America or made in Japan. Also, this red wire, you can use a T-tab and run a red wire over there for the reverse. Now on the back of the radio, it say back right there. That means it's backup camera. Here's the wire that I ran. I'm gonna crimp it. I'm gonna plug this one yellow RCA jack. That's for reverse. You're gonna have to plug that in if you want a Bluetooth to work right also. So basically, I tried everything. I put a backup camera, it reverse come on, but black light, it's not gonna work. So I'm not gonna even touch it. I tried over here. I tried the trigger right there, but I didn't know which wire is for the 6 volts. So I think it's this one, but I don't want to guess anything on here. So I'm not gonna try to attempt to do all that stuff. I mean, best thing to do is put an aftermarket that came with the camera and tap it with this red wire to do the backup camera. And that's all I can say. I don't have that much time to do the whole video like that. And basically just leave this alone. Plug this 2 that I mentioned about, the USB that we rented out there. Plug that back in there, and then don't forget to plug the microphone right there to this blue. I hate that noise, but that's it, and put it all back in. Last thing you want to do is hook up the antenna and then try to plug everything back and tape if you need to tape up something, especially the Bluetooth, so that way it don't just come loose.